a short video today. I want to tell you about a device that a friend of mine developed that is a clamping device to attach your iPad, your phone, or even a box. If you stay till the end, I tell you why I'm not commissioned on it and why it's a good thing for you. But features first. You see, a clamp has three parts. One is the clamp itself, and this one has a really wide range of opening. The other feature in the new version, because the V1 that I tested wasn't that great at this, is that it is stable on a flat surface, but as you see, it also works on a cylindrical surface, which can be, for example, your drum set or your tripod. So feature one, nice opening, nice stability. Feature two is the movability here, the sphere that you have here. Every device of that sort always has a certain blockage if it has only one lever. Yeah, if you have two levers, you have more movability, but it's also a more expensive device. This one is good enough to really move your iPad or your phone through a nice, range of motion. So, for most situations, you'll be fine with that. Nathan always says, well, you can use it in your kitchen when you cook, for example. That works perfectly well on the keyboards. Third feature when you analyze such a device, it's how wide you can open it. And look, this is massive. This is massive. With such an opening, I have no problem fitting my iPad. Of course, in landscape format, it's easy. But if I don't want to turn the device, it also works in portrait format. And what you just saw is what happens when you don't screw the device at the back. And now I'll show you that when you attach it, it's stable, so it doesn't move anymore. You can tilt it, but it's stable. My son, who is always playing with my work stuff, found that he can actually even clamp a box on it and, for example, use it to put his pencils inside. So it has a good clamp stability, it has a very decent movability, and it has a wide opening that allows you to fit basically more or less anywhere in there, anything in there. And now, final part, why I'm not commissioned and why it's a good deal for you. I'm not commissioned because I'm not an influencer. I don't want to be commissioned by anybody because I'm independent. And therefore, what should have normally been my commission, i.e. 10%, goes back into your discount. You get a 20% instead of a 10% discount. As I said, the developer is a friend of mine, but it's also a good product. I would not publish a bad product designed by a good friend on my channel. Have a look at it, it's worth it.